gang, 9 million bang, 10 million crops, Mac 11 pops, 12 in the jewelry, 5 in the dot, 6 in the whips, 7 for the pops, 8 with a gang, 9 million bang, 10 million crops, Mac 11 pops, 12 in the jewelry,
Legendary made this one.
Fresh home, boss case, gangs home, step back. Get, don't push, wait, red blocks, I get that. Setting flying like jet lag. Bruce Lee, kick back, spinning like Jet Li. Glee, bands ripping off like a jet ski. Catch me with some Africans and Asians like the Red Sea. Got a G, I got a G, but yours is drill free. Got a G, I got a G, but mine's factory. Just like the kettles and ice, everything's factory. Kettle water and ice, hey, with the Madge G. Now the seats full levers and the spliffs mampy. And I get it with tax, and I get it tax free. 85 bucks for bail in a new taxi. They tried to kill us in that courtroom like New Jack City. Still trapping on bail, so the new stack's pretty. We're around in hard times, so you can't chat to me. 6-litre whips, 7-figure pops, 8 with a gang, 9 millis bang, 10-litre crops, Mac 11 pops, 12 in the jewelry, 5 in the dock. 6-litre whips, 7-figure pops, 8 with a gang, 9 millis bang, 10-litre crops, Mac 11 pops, 12 in the jewelry, 5 one at a time with these chicks, cause there's too many fox. One line to each whip, cause there's too many dots. One time to my bros, kept it stitched in the dock. I got him whipped on the wing and took a piece out the pot and whipped a fully of the grease in the Dutch till it locked. We let the ground power burst 2 at a time till it stopped. LEDs in the grow, that's the cream of the crop. Then bury stacks in the dirt till it seeps and it rots. Gotta check that odd blue tyre, pressure coolant and the oil level. Brake lights, petty tank, that's a trap boy. MOT before we hit the MOT. I fought with Crips, I fought with Blood, Suwu, LOC. Putting money over bullshit, that's MOB. I throw 21s and C's, cause that's where a B-Tro and C block. Right near the cemetery, Twin Jacob and Mix forever in my memory. Now Lane Estate Pitbull, different pedigree. Smoke the chopper on foot, garden trotted Emery. We smoke rock into the brain while we run up celery. Trap lines going sick, cause we got better beat. Glock scorps is a max, cartel weaponry. Smoke rock into the brain while we run up celery. Trap lines going sick, cause we got better beat. Glock scorps is a max, cartel weaponry. 6-litre whips, 7-figure pops, 8 with a gang, 9 millis bang, 10-litre crops, Mac 11 pops, 12 in the jewelry, 5 in the dock. 6-litre whips, 7-figure pops, 8 with a gang, 9 millis bang, 10-litre crops, Mac 11 pops, 12 in the jewelry, 5 in the dock. 6-litre whips, 7-figure pops, 8 with a gang, 9 millis bang, 10-litre crops, Mac 11 pops, 12 in the jewelry, 5 in the dock. Superhero on my block, so I had to put my cape on. Used to leave my spinners put down, just like capons. Stitches next door, getting hella haze gone. It's getting hella haze gone. Had to hit the block, cause I had to get my cake up. Fucker in a Jeep, Louis beanie full of makeup. What? Louis beanie full of makeup. Fucker in my Jeep, Louis beanie full of makeup. Killers hitting licks in the bay with a K-top. Rolling round the ends, but this place is full of fake love. Everyone's at it now, city full of fake thugs. Of games on its ass, cause our block is full of fake plugs. Half a box of downtown, you know it's coming taped up. Cooling at the spot with some trappers getting baked up. Strikers at a down, you know it's getting taped off. Top man out to whip it, now it's ready for a bake-off. Tints on the dinger, no trail if we take off. Took the case of trial head first like a straight dog. Stuck it on the prosecution, lost like a stray dog. Tried to send me up the road in a cage box. They tried to send me up the road in a cage box. Baby said you beat it, let's fly. Took a cake off, told her I ain't going nowhere until his Turk's gone. Stuck my tongue in it, our cutie's getting turned on. Stick it in my kitty right now, want your first son. Whipped out the Jimmy, now she's saying it's a turn off. Told her I'm a dog, need millies for the stern. Stood 100 out the kitty, I can get your shit turned off. I can get your shit turned off. 100 out the kitty, I can get your shit turned off. Quarter Lagos, I ain't gotta get a perm done. Quarter red a bash, now it slaps like a dog's mouth. Been turning up to little T's in the doghouse. Little T's in the doghouse. Plants of the wolf got me cropping in the doghouse. Original cuts, purple buds, now it's lockdown. The rats ain't stepping out the house like it's lockdown. Yo, like it's lockdown. The rats ain't stepping out the house like it's lockdown. Yo, like it's lockdown. And if you do be on point with your cardio and fitness, Yardies in the team with the 100-meter quickness. Hyenas in the camp diagnosed with the sickness. Can't leave my day ones behind them with some misfits. 7 bootings, I never left one witness. I never left one witness. Scorps come thin, but the Mac's got the fitness. Never messed about when it comes to doing business. Hockey puck tea with them 9-bar biscuits. With them 9-bar biscuits. Scorps come thin, but the fitness. Hockey puck tea with them 9-bar biscuits.
Imagine being told your son would never be able to walk or talk when we didn't know where to turn or we literally were there.
Our legal and financial experts understand the impact of a serious injury. We help our clients receive the best possible medical care, rehabilitation and compensation.
My son is now 12. He can walk, he can talk, and he makes me so happy.
At Irwin Mitchell, we'll help you to imagine what's possible, so nothing feels impossible. Authorised and regulated by the Solicitors Regulation Authority.
Hey, keep fucking niggas up. Yeah. Please out. Yeah, bitch, I'm in my bag, bag, bitch, I just made a bag, bag, bitch, I just made a bag, bag of big bag, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash, I got a real ambition for this cash, 13 years old with a shoebox stash, I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass, nigga, this gives I got my skinny sag, nigga, I told that gives I with a passion, nigga, I told that gives I with a passion, and I talk a whole lot of shit cause I can bag it, it's up there, bitch my heart cold, my last name Moncler, my pockets fat swole, no I don't eat pearls, ain't trapping ain't dead, these niggas just queer, I'm sipping color purple syrup, ballin' hard just like the beard, yeah and Larry Bird, I'm shooting shit, I know you heard, 10 toes never in no word, nigga I call shots you heard, money talking what's the word, hey I pray but don't go to church, don't ask me to split a verse, can't trust no hoe this devil word, yeah I know the devil work, and I know that nobody's perfect, still can't trust a bitch for certain. Yeah, bitch, I'm in my bag, bag, bitch, I just made a bag, bag, bitch, I just made a bag, bag of big bag, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash, I got a real ambition for this cash, 13 years old with a shoebox stash, I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass, nigga, I got a real addiction for this cash, I got a real ambition for this cash, 13 years old with a shoebox stash, I'm always up to something, never sitting on my ass.
I see you looking fly today. I see you shining, ayy. Shout out to my hustlers that grind all day. I see you shining, ayy. I smell that gelato from a mile away. I see you shining, ayy. I'll still be a legend if I die today. I see you shining, I got packs on the trolley. This rap shit's a hobby. I got hairs, but I'll still catch me a body. The streets know me for getting P. My daughter had her first rollie when she was free, I caught a little case, that's a slight loss. But my lawyers like Harvey and Mike Ross. And me and Scraps couldn't give a fuck about rap. Even though we're nice, we're just always in the trap. I stay strapped like some lesbos. Find my only talk packs on the end crows. When you was inside watching Netflix, I was in the crop house wiring electrics. Me and streets rep the churches like a pope, trying to impress bitches without turning into pro. These chicks be obsessed with my P, I just hit, then I'm running to the M-I-S to the T, it's nice. I see you looking fly today. I see you shining, ayy. Shout out to my hustlers that grind all day. I see you shining, ayy. I smell that gelato from a mile away. I see you shining, ayy. I'll still be a legend if I die today. I see you shining, ayy. I went LV and got dressed today. Did the same thing yesterday. I'm in the newest
jag when I come through. About to call my man, look at T12. Don't talk money if it's less than a mil. Free hydro, hope he gets his appeal. Told my ex chick that he never could choke. I got more bitches than Jarrell in the field. Might see me in the bay with W. One time getting high in the W. Or I'm in Brom with some trap stars. I ain't on tour yet, but the packs up. Feeling like I'm about to levitate. And me and Too Bad smoking wedding cake. Would start chilling on the block 10 years from now. Still bangers will still be on top, it's nice. I see you looking fly today. I see you shining, ayy. Shout out to my hustlers that grind all day. I see you shining, ayy. I smell that gelato from a mile away. I see you shining, ayy. I'll still be a legend if I die today. I see you shining, ayy.
Pull up in the murk, Givenchy on the shirt. He gon' need a church, he gon' leave in a hearse. I really do this, more than a verse. Pay $12.50 for a purse. Nigga, that's my baby. Gun on me when I rage. Just shot a nigga yesterday. Patch just in, Max just ring. Fur coat mink with my Clapton ting. 7-bit for these white cells. 2 coops, Joe C's pop parallel. This a whack on my waist, not a Louis Bell. Things we've done to pursue the wealth. Robert Green frame of mind. Niggas couldn't live this life of mine. I bust M's, call me Al Capone, snap a pole, still on point like a Capricorn. Niggas talking like the flip bricks. Niggas talking like the stick spits. There's 2 bodies on this biscuit. What's the case? No witness. When I catch you, I'ma kill you. You and your bro, you and your hoe, 2 in the dome. You gon' need a funeral home, beef or Capone, I'm squeezing the most. Now you tell me something. Your bro died, you ain't ride the shook. I stay with the crooks, 9 mil with a shush. My girl Asian, so is my butch. The Caucasian, that's Kelly Brooks. In the spot eating cassava leaf. On my ends, there's no one as bad as me. I'll turn your face into battered cheese. Try me, I'll turn you to a tragedy. Crocodile, red button reptiles. Coke in a pot, bring it back like the X-Files. Winchester shells rip his chest out. In the truck, hella Brits getting pressed out. AK Mayday, SK vacate, SN and Day Day. Hit first Ray J, AJ hey mate, spin spin blade blade. Presidential Day Day, gun rise daybreak, more road and wave. Got holes for days, got dough and safe. Put holes in face, 3Z the great, on the skin the bay. A6 estate, pull up shoot the weight, it's Capone.
On the coat, until my money long and I can blow a couple O's. You should know how the game goes. Still stuck up on the main roads, looking CID in a plain clothes, case closed. I'm sliding with the same bros. They don't want beef, it's all Gucci like Nave Slows. Busy with the fiends, got this fizzy in my jeans. Aim it at your chest, nothing less than your knees. Pissed cause I woke up, I lost a couple G's. Fuck bro, the control, all my pants got seized. Blowing on this Cali, on the sunny now I'm high. See him at the lights, slap it off and then we try. Face tryna chase, pass the UV at the lights. Up the place and then the whip if he dies. I'm in the track spot, bro's got a 9 of each. Rather buy me some Nikes than designer sneaks. That don't mean shit, I've had 1,000 nights. At 15 I made £10 1,000 times. Cause when it goes off, I got the sewn off. Shot it used to be long, now it's got a nose job. And don't think it's just music, we rap about it cause we really gon' do this. lockdown, before Corona, I was getting all these pounds through the border. If you know it's no less than a quarter. Coke into crack, let it bubble in the water. Leave the packs at a yard, tell her this ain't love. I'm just trying to move all these big weight buds. Baby, I'm a child, so you know what's good. I'm a bag of soul up, put it back up in the hood. Break a box down, gotta let these O's fly. You can get them cheap, man, I charge you for them whole price. Make you smoke your own crop, you wouldn't know the whole time. Back to where I started like Rimsy, man, it's go time. Busy with the fiends, got this fizzy in my jeans. Aim it at your chest, nothing less than your knees. Pissed cause I woke up, I lost a couple G's. Fuck all the control, I'm a pass, no seize.
Nigga, you ain't real. Stop acting like you are. Stop capping. I got Barbies on the kid every day. They be begging, snack a bone for a menage. Push the button, then it starts. Sitting in the race, just gazing at the stars. Bitch, I'm gazing at a star. I dropped out of school, but I still got some class. You watch the front door. I'ma creep through the sideway. Stomp a nigga on his driveway. I'm just happy that it's Friday. When you see my watch, bitch, better keep your eyes straight. Look straight. Old friends moving sideways. Me mugging, get a Scarface. Jeans on Mary. Keep broke niggas nowhere near me. Fuck a hood rat like she's Halle Berry. Should I came home like last January? Snap the Grim Reaper, got my own cemetery. Pull up in the gold, shit scary. The inside white like Katy Perry. Dripping in sauce, Perry. It ain't beef unless someone nigga, you ain't real. Stop acting like you are. Stop capping. I got Barbies on the kid every day. They be begging, snack a bone for a menage. Push the button, then it starts. Sitting in the race, just gazing at the stars. Bitch, I'm gazing at a star. I dropped out of school, but I still got some class. Posted on your blocks. Nothing but hollows in my Glock. Saint Laurent jeans, match the top. I just put the beam on the mop. Shoot, turn your coupe to a drop. When I catch you, he's a rap. Fuck a bad bitch like she's a Kadash. These niggas ain't bad, out killing for sass. Say the word, it's Kalas. Nothing but murder in my Mac. Nothing but murder on my mind. Should I use the chopper or the 9? When I shoot, I just hope that he dies. Bitch, I'm the boss. Got nothing but dick for a fuck. 36 O's in the box. Knightsbridge, nigga, just a shot. Rose gold dweller, nigga, you ain't real. Stop acting like you are. Stop capping. I got Barbies on the kid every day. They be begging, snack a bone for a menage. Push the button, then it starts. Sitting in the race, just gazing at the stars. Bitch, I'm gazing at a star. I dropped out of school, but I still got some class.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. So take your pick of 27 stunning Greek hotspots. Whether you want to enjoy the incredible scenery of Kefalonia or the turquoise waters of Halkidiki, you can stay as long as you like with our flexible durations. Book Greece with just a £60 deposit per person and save £200 per couple too. Jet2 Holidays. Which holidays you can trust up to measure protected, subject to availability and conditions.
Cruise to Ireland or France with Irish Ferries for easygoing travel. Book now on irishferries.com and see travel differently.
Young Money. Ayo, Ferg.
Yeah. Ride with the mob, Hamdulillah. Check in with me and do your job. Ferg is the name, Bimbola did the chain. Tono for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Yamagini chain, rest in peace to my superior. Hermes Linka feed a village in Liberia. TMZ taking pictures cause I'm hysteria. Mama wanna see me on BT and start tearing up. I'ma start killing niggas, how you get that tripe? I attended Harlem picnics where you risk your life. Uncle used to skim work, selling nicks at night. I was only 8 years old, watching Nick at night. Uncle Psycho was in that bathroom bucket. Knife to his gut, hope that it don't cut him. Suicidal thoughts brought to me with no advisory. He was pitching dummies, selling fiends, mad ivory. Grandma had the arthritis in her hands bad. She was popping pills like rappers in society. I'll fuck your bitch for the irony. I said meet you at your hoe if your bitch keep eyeing me. Ride with the mob, Alhamdulillah. Check you and me, and do your job. Berg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Torn up for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Ride with the mob, Alhamdulillah. Check you and me, and do your job. Berg is the name, Ben Baller did the chain. Torn up for the watch, Prezi plain Jane. Suck a nigga, dick a song. Suck a nigga, dick a song. Suck a nigga, dick a song.
Hey yo, I'ma explain why you probably never see me. I push a Lamborghini, Choja magic like Houdini. My body shaped like genie, booty dreamy, waist is teeny. Yes, I told him to get titles, so he stream me when he leave me. I go hard in the booth, Biggie vibes, give me the loot. I'm a classy millionaire, bitches ain't got the couth. C-O-U-T-H, cause you can't spell it either. If I call him, then he coming home, running Derek Jeter. Bitches must be eating ass because I swear that bottom beat us. Ho, you know that you my son, I should've scrapped you as a fetus. All these bitches rockin' inches cause they followin' the leader. I should switch it up on hoes and rock a afro like Lupitas. I don't keep up with the Joneses, but I do know Cat and Zeta. I'm with Candace, Titi, Tembi, and Viola, mi amiga. Rap bitches, they gotta check in with the queen. I'm the alpha, the omega, everything in between. Oh, ride with Minaj, mashallah. Check in with me, then do your job. Queen is the name, Raffaello did the chain. This is Monse, Patty plain Jane. Ride with Minaj, mashallah. Check in with me, then do your job. Queen is the name, Raffaello did the chain. This is Monse, Patty plain Jane. Eat a Barbie ass or something. Eat a Barbie ass or something.